Hello, Hatchet High School. This is the Creekbank News. Here's what you missed. The chili cook-off has been moved from this Friday to the softball Christmas event. Lunch this week is mini corn dog bites today, hamburger Tuesday, cheesy pizza dippers Wednesday, and turkey and gravy Thursday. We have no school Friday due to Veterans Day, so everyone enjoy your day off. And to those of you who know a veteran, spend time with them while you're out. Speaking of which, Veterans Day program is Tuesday during school. Also Tuesday is the cheer showcase after school in the gym at 5:45. Wednesday, book club and NHS meet during club time. Thursday, cheer is going to the regional cheer competition to compete to win. Thursday is also progress reports, so check in with all your teachers to make sure you have everything turned in. Starting today, we are beginning our Thanksgiving contest. Submit your homemade Thanksgiving dessert recipes to a form under this video. Our favorite will get featured in the next newscast along with all the recipes being compiled in a Google Doc for you to enjoy. The recipes are due by the end of this Thursday. This has been the Creekbank News. Don't forget to subscribe to Coach Hurd's YouTube channel to get alerted when the next newscast comes out. Thank you for watching.